how to complete expert tasks on Purse Plus. Ready to take your contribution to the next level? Expert tasks challenge you to engage with more complex tagging activities. Click on the Start button under the Expert Task category to get started. In these tasks, you won't just tag the entire post. You'll select specific words within the post and match them with the most relevant keywords from a provided list. This is where your precision and insight truly shine. For example, if a post mentions Bitcoin, you might select the keyword money as the most relevant tag. If the post mentions 7 days, you could choose time as the keyword. Continue selecting and tagging words in the post until you're satisfied. Once completed, click Submit and move on to the next post. Each set of 10 posts you complete in this category earns you 30 FUGU points. Share your progress or challenge yourself with more expert tasks, all while contributing valuable insights to the AI-driven platform.